Hey guys, it's J. Marie, your favorite fitness trainer and the founder and CEO of Phitnez. Today we're going to be talking about how to get started in the gym, different tips and tricks that you can implement in your fitness journey so that you can feel like you're a boss when you go to the gym, okay? All right, let's go ahead and get started. My first tip to deciding that you want to go ahead and get started in the gym is to, sign up with a gym membership. So you can sign up with a gym membership, or if you're living in an apartment complex, you could just go to the gym that's in your apartment complex. But of course, to start going to the gym, you need to have access to a gym. I don't think people recognize how often I'll get questions about, okay, how do I get started? How do I go to the gym? And they haven't even done step one, which is actually getting a membership to go to the gym. Now, once you knock that out the way, you'll want to go to step two, which is planning out when you'll start to go. I think when you're just beginning going to the gym, 3 to 4 times a week is a great place to start because it's not obsessive, but it's like a majority of the time you're doing it, and it's often enough where you'll begin to see results within at least 4 to 6 weeks. So if you stay consistent 3 to 4 days in 4 to 6 weeks, you'll be able to see progress that you were going to the gym. Step 3, after you've signed up, you've planned out when you're gonna go, what days you're gonna go, at what specific times. Number 3 is actually getting there and going. So as a beginner, when you're first going to the gym, it's easy to feel out of place and kind of awkward and not knowing what to do. A great place for you to start that every gym has is the treadmill. You can just go on there, start walking, jogging, and starting to warm up and get fluid. That way you can go into your workout, which would actually be to lift some weights and to, begin to build your strength and condition your body and things like that. I know when you think of like weights, when you think of the dumbbell or the barbell or different exercise machines, that's where it really can be complicated and it can get extremely daunting for my beginners. But heads up, for tomorrow's video, our second workout Wednesday of 2021, I'm going to release a beginner's workout video for the gym, for gym training. So take a look at that. So I'm not going to give a specific workout routine on this video. That will be on tomorrow's video. Okay, guys? But just getting started, you can start up on the treadmill, you can start on the spin bike, you can start on like the stairs. And I give you exercise machines that will, get your heart rate going and is cardio for you, because it's great to like start off with like 10 to 15 minutes of cardio. That way you're already warm and your muscles are ready to be stretched out, especially when we're talking about a weight loss journey, when we're not necessarily talking about you want to build muscle, reach a certain goal as far as your bench press, deadlift, or power clean or Olympic lifts are concerned. When you're just interested in losing weight, that first 15-minute burn can really set things right off for you, okay? Now, after you've gotten a membership, you've set a time to when you're gonna go, you set the days, you're there and you're going, it can be difficult to know where you should start as far as the dumbbells or the weight machines are concerned. And so for the first 2 weeks, your body is just getting acclimated to your new routine. And so a good place for you to start off would be anywhere that feels not necessarily light, but not necessarily challenging. So finding that middle range. So you could pick up like a 5-pound dumbbell, do the exercise for 3 reps and be like, oh, okay, I could go a little bit heavier than this. Then pick the 10s up and go, this is kind of more challenging. Do that for 3 reps. This is kind of more challenging, but I think I could go more. Go to the 15s. Okay, this is too heavy. And I'm talking to my beginners here. And so when you do the rep, whatever reps that you're doing, whether it's lunges or front raises, side raises, whatever it is that you're doing, when you go from the 5-pound dumbbell to the 10-pound dumbbell to the 15-pound dumbbell, or if you go 20s to 30s to 40s or wherever you start at, you'll be able to see your range of what you can and cannot handle. And so going from 5 to 10 to 15 to really find out what your sweet spot is, knowing that the 15-pound dumbbells are too heavy for you, and knowing that the 5-pound dumbbells are too light for you, knowing that, you know, you have to go in the middle for that 10-pound dumbbell where it's not too light, but it's not too heavy, where you're just comfortable in doing those raises. In the first 2 weeks of, you know, you getting to the gym and finding out what you're gonna do, I really recommend full body exercises, not really going for the leg day or arm day yet, just so that you can find your way around the gym, find out what machines your gym has, and, you know, get started in that way. But I want you to be prepared of what comes from this journey. So when you're in this journey, you know, you think you want to go to the gym for just a better body. What's really great about, you know, getting started at the gym and finding out what type of lifts you like and just being challenged in that way is that you have an opportunity to become a totally different person. And I said this in my video where I talk about how to get started in your weight loss journey, not just in the gym, but at home as well. So I'll link that video down in the description. But I talk about how when you take on a new challenge, when you take on a new position in your life, you become a totally different person. And I'm really excited for you to go ahead and get started in that and get started in the gym. And so with that, now you know how to get started in the gym. First, you need a membership. Then you need to schedule out your workouts, what days and times you're gonna be going. Then you need to actually go. And when you go, it can be daunting because you might not know where to get started, but a very simple place to get started is on the treadmills. And then when you're thinking about what weights to use, just find a weight that you're comfortable with. Try the 5-pound dumbbells or the 20-pound dumbbells for 3 reps. Then try the 10-pound dumbbells or the 25-pound dumbbells for 3 reps. Then try the 30-pound dumbbells or the 15-pound dumbbells for 3 reps. And find out where your sweet spot is so that you can be comfortable in going. And then for those first 2 weeks, just do full body activity. Do arm exercises, leg exercises, ab exercises, back exercises, so that you can really find out what your gym has to offer and the different equipment that you have to use. If you're really interested in finding out how to use different equipment, make sure that you follow me on TikTok. My name is XJAYMARIE, XJMarie. That's XJAY.Marie on TikTok. And that's where you can find me. Okay, guys, if you have any more questions about how to get started in the gym, make sure that you drop those comments below and I'll make sure to reply to everyone, okay? All right, guys, that's all that I have for you today. Make sure that you tune in tomorrow for our Workout Wednesday. We're gonna go through a basic beginner full body routine that you can do in the gym to stay active, stay fit, and to get started. Let's crush 2021. Work, sweat, achieve. You're watching J. Marie. We out.